everybody. This is Will, and welcome to This Wired Wednesday. Today we're going to be looking at probably the best online design tool that you can be using for your classroom, school, or personal use. That is going to be Canva.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Canva, there are free services that are not tied to education or purchase that you can use it for and develop your own stuff, which is great that way. But if you are an educator and you are not taking advantage of the free education license that is out there for you, so you know, when you go to Canva.com, go to Education, Teachers and Schools, and you can see here that you can get verified as a teacher, and then that is going to open up all of the paid pro resources on Canva for you in your classroom. And believe me, it is well worth it to use this free service. So I'm going to go ahead and log into mine so you can see what's going on, and we're going to develop just a quick online post of a Bible verse just so I can show you how to utilize those tools. So when you log into Canva, this is what you are going to see. You have your dashboard here. You can view everything that you have created in the past. If you need to go back and get something, perfect for that. You can see I use it for a lot of those Bible verses, and it is a great way to make pretty announcements as well. So let's go ahead and create a design. So in this case, I'm going to create a design here for a Facebook post landscape. Once I have that, you can see I have a blank post, and then on the left-hand side, I can use templates if I would like to. You can scroll down, view different styles, and these are available for you. In this case, I like to use my blank template here and then create based off of that. So first things first, I'm going to need to figure out what Bible verse I'm going to be utilizing, and I am going to need to find a picture for that. So let's go ahead and go here. I'm going to be lazy. Let's do best Bible verse for start of school. And here we go. Now I can use this to get some inspiration, find what I like. Let's go ahead. Let's use the Joshua 1:9. Let's go ahead and search Joshua 1:9. And because we're Lutheran, let's use the ESV. Here we go. Now I have this, and I have the full verse here. So let's just go ahead and copy that and go back into our blank template. Let's drop it as a subheading text. I'll just paste it in there for now just so I have it and I won't lose it. Now I need to find a good image that's going to match this. So this is where you can do some brainstorming on your own. You can go and look at what other people have done for this specific Bible verse. In fact, if you want to see, it's super easy to do. Just go into your images and you can see what people have done. So line's very common. I come from Colorado, so personally I like more wilderness style. So let's go ahead and do a steep mountain peak. So here I can go into my elements and I can do a search for steep mountains. And then over in photos here, I can now go through and see what is out there. So here you can see if you click on it, it just drops it into place. Or if you drag it here, you can drop it in as a background. Now you're going to notice we have a little bit of a problem here. Let's first get that, and then it is really hard to read that text, right? So an easy thing to do is drop a gray box in the background. So let's just do search for a square. Let's do all. So I'm gonna drop this into place here. Kind of line it up with my text. We'll do some further alignment in just a little bit. And I'm going to swap this color to a gray. And then let's go ahead and drop that transparency down a little bit here. And then for my photo itself, let's edit the photo. And I want to throw a little blur on it. So here we can change that. Let's go about right there, and then let's take my words and let's make them a nice white color. Now let's add some quotes into it. A little quote mark. Oh, and I like these ones. Give it a nice little frame. That. And then, so I don't have to try and resize it to the same, we can just duplicate, drop that in. And now let's play with this text a little bit. There we go. And now all I have to do is add my Joshua 1:9 onto it. All right, and now you can see we've quickly made a nice little graphic here. Change these colors, make them something that really pops. We'll go like that. So this has just been a quick little, pull it out a little more that way. This has just been a quick little demo of how to use Canva. Great way for you to make wall art, send out announcements, put that on social media pages. But I also like it as a way potentially for if you're doing Bible verses or memorization. Great way for kids to start connecting things and helping engage more with that memorization as well. The other thing I always recommend doing, this is just something I personally think, is always throw your branding on there. If it does get posted anywhere, you want to make sure that you're always getting the credit for it. So in this case, I'm going to just drop our little branding right there, and we are good to go. If you enjoyed this episode of Wired Wednesday, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.